Hey everyone! If you're a student, a professional, or just someone who needs powerful productivity tools without breaking the bank, I've got some great news for you. Today, I'm going to walk you through how to get Microsoft Office 365 for free and set it up for offline use. Let's dive in. First things first, you'll need to check if you're eligible for a free version of Office 365. Microsoft offers this to students and educators at no cost. Just visit the Microsoft Office 365 education page, enter your school email address, and follow the prompts to see if you qualify. If you do, you'll get access to the entire Office suite. That's Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and more, completely free. Now, assuming you've gained access or you already have a subscription, the next step is downloading the software for offline use. This is perfect for working without an internet connection or when you're on the go. Start by signing into your Microsoft account. Once logged in, head to the Office homepage. Here you'll see an Install Office drop-down at the top right corner of the page. Click on it, and then select Office 365 Apps. This action will download an installer file to your computer. Once the download is complete, open the installer. The process is straightforward. Just follow the on-screen instructions. The installer will take care of everything, setting up the latest version of Office on your PC or Mac. This includes all the essential tools like Word, Excel, and PowerPoint, all configured for offline use. But here's a pro tip. Make sure you occasionally connect to the internet. Microsoft requires Office 365 users to go online every 30 days to maintain the license and receive updates, which ensures you have the latest features and security updates. And there you go. Just like that, you've got Microsoft Office 365 ready for offline use, absolutely free if you're a student or educator. For others, even if the setup isn't free, following these steps will make sure you get the most out of Office 365 anywhere, anytime. That's it for today. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more useful tech tips. Until next time, stay productive and keep teching.